Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rainbow cotton candy. Get ready to transform simple sugar into a fluffy, colorful treat that will delight everyone. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your supplies to spinning the perfect cloud of sweetness. This guide will help you master the technique, ensuring your homemade cotton candy is both delicious and visually stunning. Let's dive into the magical world of rainbow cotton candy creation. To begin your rainbow cotton candy adventure, you'll need a few key items. First, a cotton candy machine is essential. Many home models work wonderfully. Next, select 3 to 5 different colors of flavored cotton candy sugar. These vibrant sugars are what give your treat its beautiful hues. Don't forget your paper cones or sticks for serving. Finally, make sure your workspace is clean and clear, ready for some sugary fun. Now for the exciting part, spinning your rainbow floss. Start by preheating your cotton candy machine for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's hot, add 1 small scoop, about 1 tablespoon, of your first colored sugar into the center spinner head. As the floss begins to form, quickly add a second color, then a third, layering them. Gently twirl your cone around the rim of the bowl, collecting the beautiful, multicolored strands as they emerge. For the most stunning rainbow cotton candy, here are a few helpful tips. First, never overfill the spinner head. Use small, controlled amounts of sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time. Second, clean the spinner head thoroughly between each batch, especially when switching colors to prevent mixing. Third, work swiftly when layering your colors to achieve distinct, vibrant bands. Finally, have fun experimenting with various color combinations to create your own unique, edible rainbows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.